How do you charge for light housekeeping? That's a great question. I'm Angela Brown, and this is Ask a House Cleaner. This is a show where you get to ask a house cleaning question, and I get to help you find an answer. Now, if you have a question, you can go to askahousecleaner.com. Right there in the corner is a blue button. When you click on that, a microphone appears, and you send your message to me right here at the show. Now, somebody hit that button, and here's what they asked.
Okay, so I'm wondering how much I should charge a two-bedroom home for light housework. Basically, they said sweep and mop, dishes, make the bed, and wipe everything down. Just kind of spruce it and make it look nice. I'm just wondering how much I should charge them so that I'm not overdoing it. I'm new at this too, by the way.
All right, what do you charge for light housekeeping? I want to stop for just a second and say I love the question, because what is light housekeeping? Now, you said make the beds and wipe down the counters and do some spruce up of the house. That's a really vague question about how are you going to clean somebody's house. Because if you clean it and it's different from what they're expecting, both of you are going to be sadly disappointed. So if you go in and you spruce up their house, that's a daily chore series that you're going to do for one day. And then what, you're going to come back in 2 weeks and do it again? Because those need to be done every single day. We need to do laundry every day and dishes every day. Those counters need all the crumbs wiped up every single day so we don't get mice and ants in our house, right? And who's going to make the beds? That needs to be done every day as well. So instead of doing a light housekeeping every couple of weeks, my recommendation is that you offer a mommy's helper package, which has you come in once a day. And you come in once a day and you do light housekeeping once a day. And for that, we charge starting out at about $50 a day. And so what happens is they're going to be gone. And while they're gone for work, you zip in and you rotate the laundry. You fold yesterday's laundry, put the new load of laundry in, and before you leave, you'll take out the wash and put it in the dryer. Turn the dryer on before you leave, okay? Tomorrow, when you come back, you'll fold that load of laundry. So the laundry's always in rotation. And you'll empty the dishwasher and put all the dishes away. And you'll put the new dishes that are in the sink inside the dishwasher, and you'll start a load of dishes. And you'll wipe off the crumbs, and you'll put away the cereal boxes from this morning, and you'll make the beds, and you'll spruce up the house, and you'll do a quick tidy of the house and make everything nice, light housekeeping, right? It is not cleaning. It's called a mommy's helper package. And we teach you how to do this at the Savvy Cleaner training. But my point is this. There's a light housekeeping package that can be offered to families who do not have time to do the light housekeeping themselves. And you want to clean up everything and pick up the toys and pick up the clothes before the house cleaner comes to actually scour out the toilets and sweep and mop the floors and all that stuff. Because those are daily or weekly chores. The pickup of the house and the sweeping of the floors, that's a daily chore. But the scouring out of the tub and the bathtub and the toilet and all that stuff, those are weekly or bi-weekly chores. So if you have a regular cleaning company that's coming in, you want to come in first and do all the other stuff so that it is ready for the house cleaner to come. They're not going to be able to vacuum the floors if there's stuff strewn all about, right? So I would clarify with the homeowner exactly what they need, because it's not going to be very helpful to them if you zip in one day every 2 weeks and you do one day of daily chores. That's really not very helpful, except it will look super nice for that one day that you came. If you have questions or comments, leave those in the notes below. If this was helpful, give us a thumbs up. And until we meet again, leave the world a cleaner place than when you found it.